Next, to convert the physical quantity from one system to another system amadagi amada. System abdi SI unit to on thorokuni khangdi CGS unit tagi amade amada on doine. System of unit amadagi system of unit amada. For a physical quantity X has dimensional formula 6 laden kalo. If the derived unit of that physical quantity into two systems yung ko sige sidi uram da kara pick credit na sige kitang chaun hani ge explain tabli tor kiengu m1 gida a l1 gida b then time 1 gida c n2 m1 m2 gi a then l2 gi b time 2 gi c mathakta a b c ana leiri sidi manaraga leradabni you kano amma ki oidoinina koi gi quantity amma khatangi oidoramnina m1 l1 t1 haiba sigum basidane khenarak torise like example akoy mai lower gi yengsi 1 newton z in CGS unit kaya ga managi na sigi dine kya ga managi edu yengse mai CGS unit na dine go bani kya managi na yengse sigi n1 ai sina sigi newton amma hai bani somna kan sida kya tholak toino tara tholak toira kun tholak toira adu gi doya toine sigi newton hai sina kai ga manara mani doi tar ga de magi unit c m l t minus 2 ai gi bani force ki newton hai se sigi m sina kg meter second inverse square we doing in CGS units that the many do kg motor gram centimeter second inverse 2 z moini smine oil lay doing yang si mo sigi formula se season aga n1 n2 n2 sina ko na pami se ado ita aga di mo n2 hai bedi kai ga manare n1 times m1 by m2 lani natra mo sida a then ani la twin sanhansi na l1 by l2b time 1 by time 2 c ne c formula sine ko kun pala pisi n2 sine ko no zu puthora doisina engsigo for this was a key force to give oitara gadi kamai tong niam n1 z kai oire sigi 1 newton sini and therefore I know 1 thambire 10 newton oire men khalo 10 dham doine m1 sidi m sidi kai tare magi de kg newton gini na kg songina koinu puthra poisina gram de lei sare then sigi lengki sidi amma gina meter oire sigina centimeter oire ni next kisina second oire amma second oire ni sida a b c nang yawi a b c ana kai no hai matanda m da kai sina a l da kai sina b then time da kai sina c hoidine in this case magina 1 b gisu 1 then c na minus 2 oire adugi dun happy rakui this is 1 and minus 2 1 see n2 ka man do ini and sin makarate n2 ga do tar di n2 se somna kan thangal lage ina 1 se log thoge kg se gram don thoke 10 to the power 3 or ani gram 1 laibani meter is centimeter already 100 oidoini 100 means 2 ado targadi divided by centimeter centimeter all over then next second di oning ai kemta leitre minus 2 lai moi myam se lo ka thana gani gram sen centimeter masen second masen na dui tar indi kai taure 10 to the power 3 1 into the power lay by the kemta yaur aroi then 10 to the power 2 into magidi anything 1 to the power anything is, unless okay no 1 of the target 10 to the power 5 and 2 is 10 to the power 5 tare 1 Newton is kai ga manarani hai target 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne ga manarani SI unit tagi CGS unit ta hosi olabne unit amadagi system of unit amadagi system of unit amada ola sumai tawga to ba mayam am se thok pe yani next thing to check the correctness of an equation amabu kyam sumge ani yengagi. This is based on the principle of homogeneity of dimensions of an equation. See se kaino yengsi principle of homogeneity I say. Accordingly, the dimensions of each term on both sides of an equation must be the same. Nakan amada laiduga nakan amada laiduga managadabne sigi matungina sigi matang sida matang palamgi ngo equation of state hai sigi se p plus a by v square v minus b equal to t ga sigi p is na pressure ni, this is volume a ga b ga sina constant oil ase nRT is in a mole number of moles, universal gas constant and absolute temperature and absolute oil dori me am sina so sida in hining is sigi b ziga v ziga karam kana khaidok pe yani hai matam da when b zina volume gi unit la makana manara kan de ne moi khaidok na ya doi se 1 kilogram dagi akoi 2 meter khaidok ke su yaroi ne si khenar pe yaroi smai yaroi have se karan hai ga matam da principle of homogeneity in hai doi ne sidagi akoi b gi unit se kaino b gi dimension se kaino ga hai ta ga di v ga manaram doi ne and therefore b gi dimension se kaino hai ta ga di the dimension of v which is volume nina length cube se mana kani samana na a yesu noi putok pa yani try to observe and then principle of homogeneity na so high risi karino hai matam da left hand side le isiga right hand side sida le isiga mana ga dabne na hai bune mana du tar ga di pyramid equation do la le hai doine yengsimu half mv square, this is the formula for kinetic energy, then this is the formula for potential energy ngakani manavam thui yengsi left hand side ta equation magi dimension yengzai taraga disi de yari constant sa koi khana roi mv square z mass ni m jina then velocity square, velocity adi meter per second, length per time ni do the square la pa m l square t minus 2 wana la ani gai target 2 sigi 2 sina ni ko the live 2 the live 2 grams right hand side to the mz a70, this is mass, this is acceleration due to gravity and height target the mass some like that acceleration due to gravity have the length per second inverse like that and some height the length ni punjano matamda ml square t minus 2 equation number 1 equation number 2 se bidora sab mana hai and therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side so itar di kai hai ne koina the given equation is dimensionally correct ekta loi chumme habidi ade magi pe ani na demerit khara budi lai aduna onam yeng doine point of this howzik we come to the last of the applications of dimensional analysis to deduce relation among the physical quantities. Physical quantities marakta relation puthorakpa haibani sina senaraga derivation mayam tawi ai sida ka tanate akoi sinarak toise atopa mayam madasuni. Let's derive the time period of a simple pendulum oscillating under the force of gravity whose length is L, G the acceleration due to gravity, and M its mass. Sini pendulum haise smain toraga haibedo magi time period haibedi sidagi hauren khalo sidagi hauraga satle aduga sibu halakpada sangba matamdabu we call it time period adugi formula puthoktoine sida yaurisina akoi bob hai madum tabam yaurisina magi mass sina M leire makhada chingdharaktoini acceleration due to gravity G leire then sigi length sina L nen haire adoi taragadi kamain tawgi yeng seba khoi sumain taw matam sida akoina puthoktoisi ABC magi exponent to ne akoi dimensional formula puthoktoini dugi exponent to C hoidoine object leire that this time period depends on length A acceleration due to gravity B then mass tasu depend tawre ahum se depend tawre pyramid adoi taragadi sina equal to one matamda we have a constant of proportionality length A z gina B M sina C ne adagi di kedora akoina dimensional equation don tho ani ebji se time period ai taragadi time matan yaudoi se M gi dimension 0 L gi 0 time gi 1 ai di either su yare then K is a constant ti akoi either su yare this is a constant of proportionality length ki lere L hadi length ni magi A na lere ni what is G have the acceleration due to gravity meter per second square meter gi length second square makha lebani na inverse 2 lani is the B M is simply mass adoi diemo M gi C ga dang aire L gi di AM yauri then BM su yauri time period kina B katani yaris M gi C lere L gi sida AM ga da magi AM ga yaure da gi sida B gi am ga yaure sigi lere ise doi taragadi amo we have to equate the exponents or powers of sigi M, L, and T ki moi exponent moi power me se koi equate or ni adoi taragadi amo C di kai tare M gi C di 0 tare then mathang length ki di A plus B is 0 ne next kina kai tare ba time period kina minus twice B is equal to 1 direct which means B is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 ta direct A minus 1 by 2 equal to 0 habani A di kai tare doi de 1 by 2 se tarni kamai to kaya matam sida houseking nasai puthokhibido that time period is directly proportional to my given proportional km lakre mona depend of grido L ne G ne M ne L ne G ne M ne A B C hoy given also kai dare L J for A having A is 1 by 2 Z B D kai dare minus 1 by 2 dare M D 0 C is the yaw the basa manare aduna kai dore this time period is equal to K times root over L by Z and thambe yani minus 1 by 2 Z makhara laptoinin si formula sine si K is experimentally puthoka na twice pi ra eno mata bani ai chap cha baning jangdra adu smai taraga relation me amdi puthokpe yani si khangba matung da koi limitation yang be ai limitations when the dimensions are given physical quantity may not be unique as many physical quantities have same dimensions. Like dimensional formula ml square t minus 2 है kana kana की ले रहा है work किसु ओय energy किसु ओय torque किसु ओय लोइन मक्की torque is a kind of force ने rotational force ने अदुमाइना लोइन मक सिगक पिरम मतम दा करम बैनु है बिदो खंगदब ये मयाम अमल ले रहा The numerical constant having no dimension cannot be obtained from methods of dimension analysis. Numerical constant में हम दी कई दौरा है dimension analysis सिनविया और constant का वही तार दी. The method of dimensions cannot be used to derive relation other than product of power functions. Magi yarakta mayama like this one. Say Sumba y equal to a sine of xt guys cannot be derived using dimensional analysis. Adubu ma chumbra chumdabra correctness pawdi yengba yai. This method is invalid if physical quantity depends on more than 3 physical quantities. Akoi gi da base aina 7 laigibani adudai da yengba yai se 3 khaktang gi ni 3 dagi hek hela aba yararoi yengba. If the physical quantity depends on 3 physical quantities out of which 2 have same dimension, the formula cannot be derived by theory of dimensions. Obviously, formula sidasu samana by unit leiba ani yaukselakta aragadi farakam tara ani na haibani magi limitations wi am lei adu merits su mayamam lei khangsen bada kana double leite sigi sida akoi sigi chapter sigi oinadi loire mathangda koi kinematics torkani kinematics te mark am chawbani chapter ani su oibani noigi